Today we want to compare two lists. To be more precise, we want to find elements that are on both lists and elements that are only on one list. And we are using dynamic array formulas, and thanks to them the task is much simpler than in classic Excel, legacy Excel. So we start with XMATCH function, and we are looking up values from one list on another list, and thanks to that we have errors when Excel didn't find match, and we have numbers when Excel find the match. So we want to extract those values where Excel find the match. So we can add ISNUMBER function and ISNUMBER function to XMATCH function, and just like that we have false and truth. And this column we can use in filter function. So we just add filter function, and we're looking at values from our second list. We were writing our formula from perspective of this list, and just using this column of truths and falses we have our results. To find values that are only on one list, so the favorite stories, movies for my son, we have to just change ISNUMBER function to ISNA function, and just like that we have found elements that are on both lists and elements that are only on one list.